welcome back to my channel. Cheers, Nadia. In today's video, I will be doing a SHEIN try-on haul from the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. In total, I spent $230, and I think I had like 20 items, somewhere 20 to 25 items. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I got a lot of winter stuff. And I also have another haul that's coming real soon. So it's 50 plus items. So I'm gonna section it off into 2 parts. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get into the video. Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Get into it. Alright, so this first item that we have is this cute bodysuit. It's black, and we also have these stack pants. This was a real cute combo, and yeah, it was really giving. I wear size 26, so they fit very perfect. So yeah, this next item that we have is these trim straight leg pants or whatever like that, and they're real cute. And I also have another bodysuit in a different color. It's the brown color. But these pants are everything. They're so pretty. And they just feel amazing. And also, this is another size 26. I'm just showing y'all this is a different color. This is the beige bodysuit that I got. It went well with the pants that I had on. Real cute with some like cute little clear heels or something like that, but it's real pretty. The next 2 items that I got, well, y'all already seen these pants, but those are the same pants from earlier, but these is a different shirt. It's a crop top shirt, and I like the feel of it, and it was just real cute, you know, real cute and classy. And that's me just showing y'all how it feel, the texture of the shirt. This first thing that I got was this cute charm bracelet. I already have a charm bracelet, a real one, but I got this one because it was just so cute. So yeah, I got that. I also got this belly ring. It's so pretty in person. Like this phone case. I love this phone case. It was everything. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Next thing that I got was this other Christmas phone case. It was pink. It was so pretty. Next thing is these slippers. They were so cute. I've been wearing them like for a long. I've been wearing them since I got them, so I really like them. They're real soft. I got this bag. It gave me 90s vibes, so I got this brown bag. It's not really that type of brown that's in the picture, but it's still pretty. This next thing that I got is this other bag that I've been wanting for the longest. It's so cute. It just gives like rich and expensive. And it's real cute, you know. It got a lot of space in it, so yeah. The next item that I got is this cute white purse, just like the brown one, but it's white instead. Also gives 90 vibes. It's just real classy and real cute. I don't have a purse like this, so. The next thing that I got were these 4 solid tees in different colors. So yeah, I like the way that they fit. It's giving Skims a little bit, but yeah. Okay, this is my favorite sweater. This is my favorite item out of what I got. This sweater is real soft. I'm gonna show y'all how soft it is in a few, but it's real soft. It fitted perfectly. It's not too big. It just fits perfect, like. And it has like great quality. Alright, so boom, these shoes, y'all, I ended up returning these because I just wasn't, they weren't giving to me. Like, I don't know, I seen them at like the trail rides. People be like wearing them at the trail rides, but I wasn't feeling them. Like, look at them, y'all. They wasn't looking right to me. Like, I don't like shoes though anyway, so that's probably why, but this how they looked and they were returned. Okay, so these boots, y'all, I got them in a 7, But I sized down to a 6.5, so they're coming in. But I got the beige, the brown, and the black. These are like dupes or whatever like that, but half the price and way more like cheap, I guess. So yeah, they were real cute though. Is officially the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video to your friends, your family, your mommy, your daddy, your baby, your granny, everybody. Show everybody this video, okay? Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe, okay, for me. Okay, so they can become a doll. I will see y'all in the next video. Until then.